Hi people, so today I am going to be making slime and I need to put this camera higher. Hi again, and Marianne is too small, so go on your tippy toes or something. So today we are going to show you how to make slime with Tide, and these are the ingredients you will need. Tide, glue, mixing materials, shaving foam, contact solution. Wait, but the Tide is already blue, so choose a different color. We'll be right back. Yeah, I mean food coloring. Food coloring. And the bowl. So for this we are going to be using yellow, not contact solution, but whatever this thing, food coloring. Okay, so I need to put this higher. Okay, so now that it's higher, you will grab glue, open it up, and then just like that. Great. Wow, I took it out. Okay. I don't know if I already said, but you will need mixing materials. Yeah, you're good. This glue I got from the dollar store, so yeah. You'll pour.
And if you like your...
Put everything in. I'm not putting everything in.
Then...
Because then I'm going to make some more for you for the LPS.
Why LPS? I don't need it for LPS. LPS doesn't need slime.
Yes, you do.
No, they don't. Yours can. But how do they play with it? On the floor, make it dirty?
Okay, wait. Oh, okay. So I can add a little bit more.
Just a little bit more, because you never know when it doesn't work.
Exactly. So, what else do I do? Here we go.
Tide. Shaving foam.
I think I should add
a
second.
And then shaving foam and then Tide? Or Tide? Shaving foam?
Yes. Food coloring.
Why do you have...
And then I'll just mix this up. So it's turning yellow, so I want it... So you want it yellow, right?
Well, how if we're going to use Tide, it's going to be light green.
Exactly. I don't know if I should add... I'm going to add your shaving foam last.
Yeah.
Because you never know if it might not work. So then we're going to grab the Tide, open it up, and then put a little bit in. It should start coming together, see?
It can't be wet.
It's not wet.
It can't be.
I'm not putting a lot.
Well, it looks like a lot. Yeah, it's turning light green. Is it wet?
It's turning into... It's not... It's kind of wet, so can you cover up the Tide for me, please? So I also got this Tide from the dollar store. So yeah. Just keep on... Well, it's pretty... Yeah.
Pretty much.
It's pretty much the dollar store slime. Because I got the glue from the dollar store. And not the shaving foam. Because I don't even know if you want shaving foam. So we got the...
Oh, it's working!
We got the food coloring.
Ew, it looks disgusting. Who cares?
It's turning into water. Okay. It's not my fault. Okay, so just keep on mixing. So now that it should look like this, just continue mixing a little bit more. And you do not want to add half of the glue bottle. You do want to add the whole entire thing. Then cover the side. And then you can start kneading it. It might feel really, really, really weird at first. But once you continue kneading, it should be
end out like the same one.
Maria, can you pause it?
Yeah, sure.
So your slime should look like this. It should be a little bit sticky, but then this is where this comes in.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So, this should be your finished product. I added more fluff to it. So it doesn't have any color to it actually. It's really fun to play with. So
Yeah.
So, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and comment down below what should the name of this slime be. The color is like almost white, but it's green, kind of at the same time.
Oh, you made a new one?
No, the same one.
Oh.
Just continue in the video. And yeah. So
Put some
hopefully.
green on here. Got some green slime.
Okay. Bye. See you next time.